guys, welcome back. I'm Shadee with Shadee, and I found this product in Publix, so I'm gonna let you know what I think in just a moment. So I found this product called Mings Bings plant-based cheesesteak in Publix. It was $6.49. It has 230 calories, 11 grams of fat, 350 milligrams of sodium, 25 grams of carbs, and 9 grams of protein. So I was like, you know what? It looks pretty good. So I'm gonna try it out. You can cook it either in the air fryer, the oven, or the grill. I'm gonna do it in the air fryer. And once it's done, we're gonna see what's up. So it comes 2 to a pack. This is how it looks in the package. I just wanted to show you how it looks in the package before I cook it. But 2 to a pack. And once it's done, it comes out looking like this. It's like a little square, like folded wrap. So I'm gonna go ahead and bite. Ooh, it's really hot. Try to look on the inside. I don't really taste much. I'm gonna take another bite. Maybe it was just that bite. Ooh, super hot. It's not bad. I don't really taste much flavor, like much spice. I mean, again, it had mozzarella, peppers, onions. There's no jalapenos. I would need some spice or maybe a dip. It is gluten-free, nut-free, and of course vegan. I don't know. I would give this maybe a 6 or 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. Again, it's not bad. It just needs, to me, a little more flavor, more heat. But it's not bad. So definitely try it for yourself. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Be you. Think naturally. Thank you guys again. Bye. Oh, and I added some spicy vegan ranch. And yeah, it's much better. I give it a little bit of heat, a little more flavor. So yeah, try it for yourself.